What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all check for updates. So to check updates, open Play Store, click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates available option and check if there is any update pending of Twitter. So if you have a update available for Twitter app, then update the app to the latest version, and after updating it will start working properly. But after updating, if you're still facing the issue, then check for your mobile software update. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software updates. Now click on download and install to update the latest version of software in your phone. And after updating your phone software to the latest version, the Twitter app will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset the Twitter app. So for that, press and hold on the Twitter app icon. Now click on this information icon on the top left corner of the pop-up and then scroll down and click on storage. Now from here, tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory and then tap on clear data to clear the app data. And after doing this, the Twitter app will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.